Welcome to Coyote Chess. Here's my first game. I decided to play a bot. So this bot's rated at like 350 elo. So it's an ugly, messy game, but let's see what we can learn from this. All right, here we go. And put his king in check right here. I was pretty proud of that. And I always try to castle as soon as possible. All right, so the game's pretty much over at this point. If you like what you saw, I ask that you like, subscribe, and share, and all that good stuff. I don't know if anyone's going to even bother sharing this game. It was sloppy. It was ugly. But in the end, I finished it. Had a couple decent moves there. I don't know how many blunders. There were at least 3 that I saw there. But if you have any tips or suggestions, leave them down in the comments, and I'll try to address them before the next game. And stay tuned because I'm going to take on my next bot. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. This has been Coyote Chess, and I'm signing off.